I'm Brad Martell, the CEO President of Scott County YMCA. Welcome to our site. We're presently building the R. Richard Bittner YMCA. This is our 5th YMCA in downtown Davenport as far as a building location. We started here in 1858 and we've been in downtown Davenport ever since. This is a fun building right here and a really historical site. This site behind me is where the first bridge crossed the Mississippi River, and this used to be a rail yard for years and years. And now we're transforming this into a new YMCA that'll serve the community on this site probably for another 60 or 70 years. It's a good project. Behind me, soon we'll have up the R. Richard Bittner YMCA. Mr. Bittner was a 35-year volunteer, many years for the YMCA, supported the YMCA financially, legally, time, talent, and treasures. And it's a great tribute and a great honor to name this building after him. The entire project is close to a $24 million project. We start with the building, the land, all the equipment. It'll be a great transformational project for downtown Davenport. We're excited to get it full of members. This has been a challenging year for everybody. Hopefully by the time this opens in January, it'll be full of members and families and kids that can use YMCA services. The YMCA, led by Dr. Edward Volsky, had a fundraising campaign. We had 125 businesses and community members contribute $12.5 million to this project. We're very proud of it, and it takes everybody to build a project like this. So I welcome now, we're going to join the Russell construction team to show a little bit of the inside of the building and what the project is.
So this is the new Davenport Downtown YMCA. We are in about month 6 of construction. We started foundations last November. Right now we're getting into the drywall phases. We're starting drywall on the first floor, and we're also starting drywall in the gym behind me. And we'll be kind of working our way bottom floor up. On the exterior of the building, we have Nietzsche Hog going on. Our self-support guys are doing that, and then we have metal panels on the rest of the building. And then site work-wise, we have about a 400-car lot that we have about half poured, and we're working on getting the other half ready to pour. So completion date for this project will be the end of this year to be open for the New Year's resolutions. And we're looking pretty good for hitting that at this point. On the 3rd floor, looking south at downtown Davenport. What you see out here will actually be an outdoor workout space. There will be pavers to bring the kind of recess out here up to finished floor height, and then a rubber outdoor flooring for them to do group exercise activities outside. This wall here will all be glass. It's a storefront system, and there'll actually be a seamless glass railing around the outside of the knee wall provided by the Von Mauer family, actually. We used an extensive VDC process on this project. We hired Kelsey and Ryan to do MEP design build, and they worked with our VDC department to do the MEP design of this building. There is 15 rooftop units, including the pool pad. So there's an extensive amount of ductwork, piping, etc. The VDC process allowed them to install all their hangers before we poured the decks, which saved us a ton of time. And to my knowledge, at this point we have probably 90% of the big things in the ceiling hung, and there hasn't been a single conflict. So this project gets a definitely A+ on the BIM coordination.
And I'm the project manager on the new YMCA facility here in downtown Davenport. It's a new 76,000 square foot facility, and it was important to them to take advantage of the views over the river, and so they kind of nestled it up in the far northeast corner of the site so that you could see all of the beauty as you're working out here on this new facility. It has a track that runs around the entire perimeter of the third floor, and it's about 1/8 of a mile all the way around. It also has a full-size basketball court, as well as 2 handball and racquetball courts as well. We've been really fortunate on this project. We have a lot of good subcontractors and suppliers who have really worked as a team to help us make sure that this project situation, but everyone's really come together and done a great job of plowing forward and getting the job done.
Alright, so right now we're standing in the natatorium where we have a 75-foot lap pool, a 75-foot leisure pool with play features for the kids, including a tot slide, a dump bucket feature, a couple spray features, as well as a basketball hoop. And over on the east side of the natatorium there's a whirlpool hot tub as well. Right now we're 100% complete with underground roughing for all 3 pools, as well as the structure of all 3 pools. Currently we're preparing the deck area and getting ready to pour that as soon as the end of next week.
This new facility is going to have a huge impact on the Davenport community, and I'm so excited to be a part of that.